Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Nissan Maxima key fob. This process is straightforward, but careful preparation is key to success. First, gather every key fob you intend to program, both old and new. Next, ensure your vehicle's battery has a full charge to avoid any power interruptions. Finally, confirm all doors are securely closed and locked before you begin. To enter programming mode, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed and locked. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 6 times within a 10-second window. Your vehicle's hazard lights will flash twice, signaling that it has entered programming mode. Immediately after the lights flash, reinsert the key and turn it to the ACK position. Now, with the key in the ACK position, take your first key fob. Press and release any button on it. The hazard lights will flash once, indicating that this specific fob has been successfully programmed. If you have more than one key fob, repeat this exact step for each additional fob you wish to program, pressing a button on each one in turn. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. Now, step away from your vehicle and test each programmed key fob to confirm it locks and unlocks the doors properly. If any fob does not respond as expected, do not worry. Simply repeat the entire programming sequence from the very first step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.